Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, The Wealthy Mindset. It's yours truly, Money Making Mitch. And as usual guys, this is not financial advice. Please do your own due diligence and research. You need to see what's happening at NIO's factory right now. So photos just dropped on Chinese social media, and honestly, if you're holding NIO, you're going to want to sit down for this one. A Weibo blogger with over 500,000 followers just posted pictures of NIO's F2 factory in Hefei, and the lot is absolutely packed. We're talking over 2,000 freshly built vehicles staged wall to wall, ES8s and ES9s straight off the line. His words, their production capacity is absolutely through the roof. This isn't hype, this is real-time evidence that NIO is loading up for something big. And here's why this matters for us. June is shaping up to be NIO's biggest delivery month ever. Management has been saying it, and now we're seeing it with our own eyes. They need roughly 43,000 vehicles this month alone to hit the low end of their Q2 guidance of 110 to 115,000 vehicles across NIO, Onvo, and Firefly. That's about 1,431 cars per day. And the factory footage tells you that they are dead serious about getting there. The lineup has never been stronger. The ES8 is still an absolute monster. It was number one in sales among all vehicles priced above 400,000 yuan in China for 5 consecutive months through May. 5 consecutive months. It hit 100,000 cumulative deliveries in just 215 days, which is a record for premium vehicles in that price range. And the best part, when the new ES9 launched, the ES8 orders actually went up 30% week over week. These products are lifting each other, not cannibalizing it. Then there's the ES9, their new full-size flagship that just launched May 27th at 498,000 yuan. They had pre-built over 6,000 units before the launch, so buyers could get same-day delivery. It pulled in 50,000 pre-orders before it even hit showrooms. Wait times on the top trim are already running 16 to 17 weeks. Demand is skewing toward the more expensive configurations. That's not a struggling company. That's a company firing on all cylinders. And the F2 factory itself, it has designed annual capacity of 300,000 vehicles, has been running since 2022, and sits inside NIO Parks alongside the F3 facility. NIO also has the F1 plant across the city. 3 factories, all in Hefei, all pushing hard for the full year. NIO is targeting 40 to 50% delivery growth, somewhere between 456,000 to 489,000 vehicles. They've already done 150,526 through May. June's push is how they stay on track. So if anyone's been second guessing their position, look at those factory photos. The inventory is built. The products are hot. The demand is there. June is when it all comes together. Hold on to your shares, my dear lads. I hope you guys found this video yet again to be informational, inspirational, and motivational. If so, guys, boop, 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 don't forget to hit the thumbs up right there, right there. It takes a lot of time to do these videos and the editing. And if you haven't yet subscribed, you might want to think about doing so, because in this channel, we are waking up the middle class for the first time to get a major piece of the pie from the ground level up as to how the games are played on Wall Street. And like 50 said, we get rich or we die trying, guys.